In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the soft FPC cable. First, we need to take out the camera bracket. As we can see that there are 2 screws in here, we remove the 2 screws. After removing, we take down the plate and put it aside. By doing this, the cable can be moved. We can pull out the cable and remove this screw too. We can also use the screwdriver to remove. After removing, the upper part of the bracket can be taken off. Then remove these 2 screws. Okay, after removing, the whole camera can be taken out. Be gentle when taking out the camera. Now we will remove the cable. There are 2 slots in here. We gently pull out the slots. Note that it should be pulled out gently to avoid breakage. If using the hand is difficult, we can use the tweezers to pull out. Now the FPC cable has been removed. We put the camera aside and pull out the cable. Done. The soft FPC cable has been properly removed. Next, we will introduce how to replace the soft FPC cable. First, we take out the end that needs to be installed on the image acquisition board. Neaten up the end of the cable. We can see there is a gap on the camera bracket. Here is the place where the FPC cable needs to be threaded through. Okay. Take the cable and thread it through to about this position. Now, we need to first install one end of the cable into the interface on the camera. We gently pull these 2 slots outward, because otherwise they will be broken. Here for the FPC cable. Remember the silver side is up. And insert it. Make sure the end is fully inserted. The end should be in the middle position when inserted. Do not have a tilting angle. After the insertion, press the 2 sides tightly. Then put it in the camera bracket. Okay. We use screws to fix it after putting it into the bracket. Now we have finished the installation on the upper bracket. Next is the lower bracket part. We wind the cable a little bit. Then put it from here to fix the camera. We can first insert the pin and secure it tightly. We can also use the screwdriver to fix. It will be faster. Once we finish securing the pin, we need to organize the cable to make it neat and prevent it from shaking. We put it in here. Take out the plate. Align with the screw holes and perform a press-in. Secure them tightly. Then put the other two screws in it. And fix them. Okay, everything is done. This is the whole process of the soft FPC cable replacement.